Creative Kids. This is Eon.
I'm Geraldine, Eon's mom, and this is the Creative Kids Survival Toolkit. Welcome, Creative Kids. Today we're going to teach you how to make paper out of any of your craft projects or your works or anything else that you have around. Check your recycling bin. The materials you need for this project are used paper, rubber bands or string, a blender. You're going to need some sort of screen or fabric. You're also going to need some buckets like yogurt containers. Step number 1 is to tear your paper into small bits, about 1 inch by 1 inch. When your blender is about halfway full with paper, then you can fill it with water so that the water covers all of the paper. Our next step is to blend it up.
Not to be a surprise.
This is what your pulp should look like. For the next step, you want to get your rubber bands and string, your buckets, and your fabric. So Eon wants to use the lace fabric first, so she's going to put a rubber band around the bucket to hold the lace fabric in place so it's tight. Alright, our next step is to pour the pulp over your fabric and try to get it really even.
Oh my god, we're gonna make paper.
Gently press the extra water out of the paper pulp. When your paper pulp looks like this, it's ready to just chill out and dry. Your last step is just to let your paper dry on the screen or fabric. Alright, we encourage you to get creative with your process here. Eon wanted to make some colorful paper that was really big, so we found a really big bucket and a really big screen, and we're going to test it out. To make it colorful, you could go back to 2 videos ago when we made recycled alcohol inks with used up markers, and you could use that to color your papers. Alright, can you carefully peel this off?
I can do it.
If you make this project, post it in the comments. We'd love to see what you create. And tune in next week for when we show you how to make homemade charcoal that you can draw and paint with.
Can I use this paper?
Yes.